If you're currently packaging your product or service in just one way, you are potentially missing out on as much as 80% of the possible sales in your market. So we recently conducted a deep dive survey to a segment of our audience and found a product that we had released in a single format, asking which format that they would prefer instead. And what we found was that there are 5 distinct buckets that we were completely missing in our market. Bucket number 1 was a cohort-style program, a group program delivered with help over a period of 4 to 6 weeks. Number 2 was a live virtual workshop, a workshop-style 1 to 3 day live virtual event, including access to the recordings. Number 3 was a self-guided course, a course delivered at your own pace, pre-recorded that people could consume at a pace that was comfortable for them. Number 4 was software only, no access to any training at all, the DIY option, getting access to only the technology. And last but not least, and this was over 15% of our market, people wanted a purely done-for-you service that we advertise as something that would cost the most, but where we would do all the work. So the question is, how many of these strategies could you be using to repackage your product or service to reach a much larger segment of your audience?